Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the WeatherGuard shelving install kit for the RAM ProMaster City. Let's get into it. All right, this is part number 9753-2-01. It is a shelving install kit for the RAM ProMaster City, like the one behind me. It's for installing, I think 32-inch shelving, 36-inch shelving in the back of the RAM ProMaster City. Install shelving in the driver's side and the passenger side. And what this is it's a little kit that makes mounting shelving in the back of the van, you know, pretty effortless and easy and simple because you tie into existing holes in the van. And so it takes all the guesswork out of trying to figure out where am I going to mount this shelf, where am I going to put a plus nut, how am I going to attach the shelf to the van. And so this really takes the guesswork out of all of that. So right here off the top, we can see got a nice bag of hardware, some spacers and plus nuts and all of that. Looks like they even have the plus nut tool in here, which I love that about WeatherGuard is they include that with all of their products. Is if you need to put a plus nut, they give you the tool to set one. Got a nice installation guide. Looks like it's pretty, well actually this is specific for the RAM ProMaster City. So it's got illustrated guide on how to attach this to the van and then attach the shelving to these brackets. Inside here we've got some nice dunnage and foam and some brackets, nice white brackets. So this is going to match the actual powder coating on the shelving itself, so it's going to blend in with the shelf. The nice thing about WeatherGuard shelving is it's white, so it kind of matches the color of the interior of the van, whereas a lot of other shelving is gray or silver or black, and so it's just a little bit, you know, stands out like a gray shelf. Got some more mounting brackets here. Again, I don't know exactly which bracket goes where, but this is for both the driver's side and the passenger side, so we probably have mirrored brackets here going on. And then let's see what else. Again, some more brackets. Some more here. And finally, our last set of brackets. So let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 brackets that come with this kit. So it's a pretty intense kit. These look like they might be the same. These four, well, maybe not. I can't tell. The dimensions are a little bit different. But, you know, this is a pretty comprehensive kit for installing shelving in the back of your RAM ProMaster City. Again, you get the brackets. These are kind of designed and bent to work with specific mounting holes in the van. And you got your hardware to attach this to the wall. Then you're gonna have hardware to attach the shelving to these brackets. One thing I want to check on real quick is if this includes hardware. So the nice thing about these brackets is that they allow you to mount either a 36-inch wide shelf or a 42-inch wide shelf in the back of the van, or you can actually mount a 36 and a 42 together side by side, and so you essentially have one in the back wall area and then one that kind of comes right in front of the sliding door on both sides. So this really allows you to mount 4 shelves in the back of that van that take up essentially the entire wall width space in that van. Now the thing I'm not sure about is if this hardware kit includes the hardware to attach the shelving to these brackets, but if you buy the WeatherGuard shelving, it comes with all the hardware that you need to actually attach it to the side of a van if you're just doing kind of a normal DIY install and not having these brackets. So you're gonna have plenty of hardware to attach the shelving to these brackets. Now, if you're looking for this WeatherGuard kit or any other equipment to make your van work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan and have a good one.